Atmospheric collisions and light emission. A single particle traveling millions of miles from the sun enters Earth's atmosphere, and in the blink of an eye the sky begins to glow. This moment, invisible to the naked eye, is the birth of the aurora. But what really causes that mesmerizing color display above your head? It's a science experiment on a planetary scale. As charged solar particles crash into atoms of oxygen and nitrogen in the upper atmosphere, they transfer energy, causing these atoms to get excited. And just like people, when these atoms calm down, they release energy. Only in their case, that energy comes out as shimmering light. Oxygen creates the vivid green most commonly seen in auroras. At higher altitudes it can even produce deep reds. Nitrogen, on the other hand, throws blue and purple into the mix. This interaction is so delicate that even slight changes in altitude, temperature, or atmospheric composition can shift the color palette. What's even more fascinating? These auroras occur between 80 to 300 kilometers above Earth's surface. That's not just high, it's near the edge of space. So the next time you see those glowing ribbons across the sky, remember, they're born from atomic collisions and cosmic energy dancing above our world.